The Sls Playa Mujeres sits on one of Mexico's most pristine stretches of Caribbean coastline, bringing the brand's signature blend of luxury and contemporary style to the quieter northern shores of Cancun. This resort represents a fresh take on the all-inclusive experience, trading the crowded hotel zone for the more exclusive Playa Mujeres development, where white sand beaches meet turquoise waters. For travelers seeking a modern luxury escape without the hustle of downtown Cancun, this property offers an intriguing alternative. The resort caters to guests who appreciate sleek design, upscale amenities, and a more refined atmosphere than the typical spring break destination. From the moment you arrive, it's clear this isn't your average beach resort. The SLS brand brings its cosmopolitan sensibility to a tropical setting, creating a space where sophistication meets relaxation. The accommodations at SLS Playa Mujeres range from well-appointed rooms to lavish suites, each designed with a contemporary aesthetic that favors clean lines and coastal elegance. One of the standout features is the availability of swim-out suites, which allow guests to step directly from their terrace into a dedicated pool area, perfect for those who value privacy and convenience. For guests seeking the ultimate indulgence, select suites come with rooftop jacuzzis, offering a private retreat with sweeping views of the Caribbean Sea or the resort's lush grounds. The attention to detail extends to the service level, with certain room categories including personal butler service that handles everything from unpacking to arranging dinner reservations. These premium accommodations also grant access to private check-in, allowing guests to bypass the main lobby and begin their vacation without delay. The rooms designated for enhanced service also come with access to exclusive pool and beach areas, creating a resort-within-a-resort experience for those willing to upgrade. Beyond the standard amenities, the rooms reflect the kind of thoughtful design that makes a stay memorable rather than merely comfortable. The swim-out concept is particularly well executed, appealing to families who want easy pool access for children or couples seeking a romantic setting without the crowds. The rooftop jacuzzis transform an ordinary evening into something special, whether you're watching the sunset with a cocktail or stargazing after dinner. While specific room sizes and maximum occupancy details aren't widely published, the variety of configurations suggests the resort can accommodate everyone from honeymooners to multi-generational families. The premium beach and pool zones reserved for certain guests ensure that even at full capacity, there are quiet corners to escape. The private butler service elevates the experience beyond what most all-inclusive resorts offer, providing a level of personalized attention typically reserved for ultra-luxury properties. For guests accustomed to high-end hospitality, these touches make a significant difference in the overall experience. The dining scene at SLS Playa Mujeres is genuinely impressive, with 18 restaurants and bars spread across the property offering variety that rivals much larger resorts. This extensive collection means guests can enjoy a different culinary experience each night of a week-long stay and still have options left to explore. The range spans multiple cuisines and dining styles, from casual beachfront grills to elegant fine dining venues that would hold their own in any major city. The bar offerings are equally diverse, providing everything from poolside cocktails to sophisticated lounges for evening drinks. This abundance of choice addresses one of the common complaints about all-inclusive resorts, where dining can become repetitive after a few days. The resort's commitment to culinary excellence reflects the SLS brand's roots in the restaurant and nightlife scene, bringing that expertise to the beach resort format. With 18 venues to choose from, guests can explore international flavors without leaving the property, whether they're craving fresh seafood, authentic Mexican cuisine, or contemporary fusion dishes. The variety also means that different moods and occasions are well served, from quick bites between pool sessions to celebratory dinners that deserve a more formal setting. The bars complement the restaurants nicely, offering spaces that transition from day to night, from casual to upscale. Some venues likely focus on craft cocktails and premium spirits, while others provide the perfect setting for a cold beer after a day in the sun. The sheer number of options also helps distribute guests across the property, reducing wait times and creating a more relaxed dining atmosphere. For food-focused travelers who view meals as a highlight of their vacation rather than just fuel, this resort delivers an experience that goes well beyond standard buffet fare. The pools at SLS Playa Mujeres are described as sparkling and multiple, suggesting a thoughtful approach to aquatic spaces that goes beyond a single main pool. Different pool areas likely serve different purposes, from active zones with swim-up bars to quieter spaces designed for relaxation and reading. The swim-out suites connect to dedicated pool areas, creating semi-private swimming spaces that feel exclusive without being completely isolated. The beach access is a major draw, with the resort sitting directly on the unspoiled sands of Playa Mujeres, a stretch of coastline known for its powdery white sand and calm, clear waters. Unlike the more developed beaches in the main hotel zone, this area retains a more natural, tranquil character. The premium beach areas reserved for certain room categories ensure that guests paying for upgraded accommodations enjoy enhanced access and service. The Caribbean waters here are typically gentle and swimmable, with the barrier reef offshore creating calmer conditions than open ocean beaches. Water activities are likely available, from kayaking and paddleboarding to snorkeling excursions that explore the nearby coral formations. The beach setup probably includes plenty of loungers, palapas for shade, and attentive service that brings drinks and snacks directly to your spot in the sand. The combination of multiple pools and direct beach access means guests can vary their water experience throughout the day, starting with a morning swim in the pool, moving to the beach for the afternoon, and perhaps ending with a sunset dip in a rooftop jacuzzi. The unspoiled nature of the beach is worth emphasizing, as development in Playa Mujeres has been more controlled and less dense than in the main Cancun hotel zone. This creates a more peaceful, almost private beach feeling that many travelers prefer over the busier, more commercialized alternatives just a few miles south. While specific sports and fitness facilities aren't detailed in available information, a resort of this caliber typically offers a well-equipped fitness center with modern cardio and strength training equipment. The beachfront location naturally lends itself to activities like beach volleyball, water aerobics, and morning yoga sessions on the sand. The private marina mentioned among the resort's amenities opens up possibilities for sailing, fishing charters, and boat excursions to nearby islands or snorkeling sites. Guests interested in golf will find courses in the Playa Mujeres area, with the development designed partly around golf tourism. The resort likely offers tennis courts, given the expectations of the luxury market, along with organized activities that keep guests engaged throughout the day. The entertainment and nightlife offerings suggest a resort that doesn't shut down after dinner, with beachside gatherings and events that create a social atmosphere without the spring break chaos of downtown Cancun. Cultural activities might include tequila tastings, cooking classes focused on regional cuisine, or presentations about Mayan history and local ecology. The resort's size and ambition suggest a full activities program that caters to different interests and energy levels, from high-intensity water sports to more relaxed cultural experiences. For guests who prefer structured activities to pure relaxation, there should be enough variety to fill each day. The balance between organized programming and free time is crucial, and a well-run resort allows guests to be as active or as lazy as they choose. The Sls Spa spans an impressive 20,000 square feet, making it a destination in itself rather than just an amenity. A spa of this size can accommodate extensive treatment menus, multiple therapy rooms, and dedicated spaces for different wellness experiences. Guests can expect a full range of massages, facials, and body treatments, likely incorporating both international techniques and local ingredients like aloe, coconut, and regional herbs. The spa probably includes hydrotherapy circuits with saunas, steam rooms, and contrast pools that prepare the body for treatments and provide therapeutic benefits on their own. Yoga and meditation sessions are likely offered, either in dedicated studio spaces or in beautiful outdoor settings overlooking the ocean. The wellness approach at a resort like this typically extends beyond individual treatments to encompass holistic programs that might include fitness consultations, nutritional guidance, and multi-day detox or rejuvenation packages. The 20,000 square foot footprint suggests amenities like relaxation lounges, outdoor treatment cabanas, and perhaps a salon offering hair and beauty services. The spa likely features separate areas for men and women, along with couples treatment rooms for shared experiences. Hydrotherapy is a cornerstone of many luxury spas, with features like vitality pools, ice fountains, and experience showers that stimulate circulation and promote relaxation. The setting in Playa Mujeres, with its natural beauty and tranquil atmosphere, enhances the spa experience, allowing treatments to incorporate ocean views and tropical breezes. For guests who prioritize wellness during their vacation, the spa becomes a daily ritual rather than a one-time indulgence. The size and sophistication of the facility suggest that the resort takes wellness seriously, investing in both space and expertise to deliver transformative experiences. The area surrounding Sls Playa Mujeres offers a nice balance of seclusion and accessibility, with the resort positioned away from the crowds while remaining within reasonable distance of Cancun's attractions. The immediate neighborhood of Playa Mujeres itself is a carefully planned development that includes golf courses, a marina, and other upscale resorts, creating a resort community atmosphere. Cancun International Airport sits approximately 20 to 25 kilometers south, making transfers relatively quick and straightforward compared to resorts farther down the coast. For guests who want to explore beyond the resort, Puerto Cancun offers marina facilities, shopping, and dining about 10 to 15 kilometers away. The famous Cancun Hotel Zone, with its concentration of nightlife, restaurants, and entertainment, is roughly 15 to 20 kilometers south, close enough for an evening out but far enough to maintain peace and quiet at the resort. Shopping enthusiasts can visit La Isla Shopping Village or Plaza Las Americas, both major malls located within a reasonable drive and offering everything from international brands to local crafts. Culture and history buffs will appreciate El Rey Ruins, a small but interesting archaeological site that provides insight into the region's Mayan heritage without requiring a full-day excursion. The Museo Maya de Cancun offers a more comprehensive look at pre-Columbian history and is worth a visit for those interested in the area's ancient past. Natural attractions include the beautiful Playa Delfines, a public beach known for its scenic beauty and famous Cancun sign, and Nishipte Lagoon, which offers opportunities for kayaking and wildlife observation. The location essentially gives guests the best of both worlds, a tranquil, upscale setting with easy access to the energy and attractions of Cancun when desired. Day trips to Isla Mujeres, the charming island just offshore, are easily arranged and provide a different perspective on Caribbean beach life. Taking everything into account, Sls Playa Mujeres delivers a strong luxury resort experience with several notable advantages and a few considerations to keep in mind. The strengths are clear: an excellent location on pristine beaches away from the crowds, an impressive array of 18 restaurants and bars that prevent dining fatigue, and thoughtful room options including swim-out suites and rooftop jacuzzis that add special touches to the accommodation experience. The 20,000 square foot spa demonstrates a serious commitment to wellness, while the private marina and premium service options like butler service elevate the experience beyond typical all-inclusive offerings. The resort successfully brings the Sls brand's contemporary, sophisticated aesthetic to the beach resort format, appealing to guests who might find traditional tropical decor a bit tired or cliched. On the potential downside, the resort's location in Playa Mujeres, while peaceful, does mean you're somewhat removed from the action if you enjoy being in the thick of things. Guests who want to explore Cancun's nightlife or dine at restaurants in the hotel zone will need to arrange transportation, adding time and expense to those outings. The newness of the property means it may still be working out operational kinks, and some amenities or services might not yet be fully refined. The premium positioning also means this resort comes with a higher price point than many Cancun alternatives, so budget-conscious travelers might find better value elsewhere. The focus on contemporary luxury and sophisticated dining might not appeal to families with young children who prefer a more casual, kid-centric environment. Overall, though, the resort hits its target market well, delivering a polished, upscale experience for travelers who value design, culinary variety, and a more refined take on the Caribbean beach vacation. What truly sets Sls Playa Mujeres apart from the competition is the combination of the Sls brand's urban sophistication with a beachfront setting, creating something distinct from both traditional tropical resorts and city hotels. The sheer number of dining venues, 18 in total, is exceptional for a property of this type and reflects a genuine commitment to culinary excellence rather than just checking a box. The swim-out suite concept, while not unique to this resort, is executed here as part of a broader premium experience that includes butler service and exclusive pool and beach access. The private marina is a standout feature that most Cancun resorts can't match, opening up water-based activities and excursions that go beyond standard beach resort offerings. The rooftop jacuzzis provide a romantic, luxurious touch that creates memorable moments and Instagram-worthy experiences. The location in Playa Mujeres itself is a differentiator, offering the unspoiled beaches and calmer atmosphere that the main hotel zone lost years ago to overdevelopment. The resort's approach to creating distinct zones, with premium areas for upgraded accommodations, allows it to serve different guest segments without compromising anyone's experience. The integration of entertainment, nightlife, and beachside celebrations into the resort's DNA reflects the Sls brand's roots and creates a more dynamic atmosphere than resorts that essentially shut down after dinner. For guests who appreciate modern design, diverse dining, and a more cosmopolitan vibe, Sls Playa Mujeres offers something genuinely different from the sea of similar resorts lining the coast. The resort's event and conference facilities demonstrate versatility beyond pure leisure travel, with dedicated venues for weddings, multi-day celebrations, and corporate gatherings. The beachfront setting combined with sophisticated indoor spaces creates options for everything from intimate ceremonies to large-scale events. The culinary resources, with 18 restaurants and bars, mean that event dining can be varied and impressive, avoiding the cookie-cutter banquet experience common at many resort venues. The private marina adds unique possibilities for nautical-themed events or excursions as part of larger celebrations. Guest experiences at Sls Playa Mujeres are shaped by the attention to detail and personalized service that define the brand. The butler service available with premium accommodations creates memorable moments, from perfectly timed champagne arrivals to thoughtfully arranged surprises for special occasions. The exclusive dining experiences mentioned in the resort's offerings suggest opportunities for private beach dinners, chef's table events, and other special culinary moments that go beyond standard restaurant service. The combination of the expansive spa, beautiful beaches, and sophisticated atmosphere creates an environment where relaxation and celebration happen naturally. Guests consistently note the value of having so many dining options, which keeps the experience fresh throughout longer stays and accommodates different moods and preferences. The swim-out suites and rooftop jacuzzis generate the kind of special moments that define a vacation, whether it's a quiet morning coffee in your private pool or a romantic evening under the stars in your personal jacuzzi overlooking the Caribbean. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.